Have you ever had everybody blame all their problems on you even though it wasn't your fault? It's quite maddening, and today I want to talk about how I got over it emotionally and moving on with my life. So whatever the story was this week, I made a little mistake, and then from this moment on, everybody started blaming everybody else's problems on me. In fact, I was doing everybody else's job and had a paper trail of everything that I did right, but doesn't matter because they would still blaming it on me and it was my fault and everything. So I started looking into it and I started reading up on why this happens. A lot of times it has nothing to do with you. It's a protective thing. So it doesn't stop you from getting angry. It didn't stop me. I was just like so stressed out. I was tossing and turning. My diet suffered, my workout suffered, my mood, everything. And then I actually started making new mistakes because I was like all flustered. I'm just trying to keep myself afloat because I'm just so angry all the time because everybody keeps blaming stuff on me and arguing with me. This lasted about 4 days and I couldn't sleep. It was just ruining me. And it even ran into my Saturday. And I was just like, I tried meditating. I tried working out. I tried like indulging in junk food. I tried all these things. Nothing was making me feel better. And I knew it was this mindset. Like I had to figure out like, what was I going to do? Like, how was I going to handle the situation and shit like that? But then I realized, oh, it's beyond my control at this point. This is their problem. Like they're doing it. Like I'm in the right. I know that I'm doing fine. I'm good at what I do. This is their problem. They're being protective. They're just being negative. They have their own problems. It has nothing to do with me. It's not personal. It's not even like a professional thing. It's just like them lacking in social skills and interpersonal skills. Because I actually tried talking directly with them and they just don't know how to communicate. And it's just like I had no control. So what do I have control over? That's me and my mood. And if meditation didn't fix it and I have no master plan, it's just about what am I going to do? How am I going to feel about it? So there's one little thing that just kind of made it all go away and I feel fine. I'm ready for the next week. I'm going to kick some ass. I suggest trying this out. It may work for you. Is just to mentally sit there and visualize it and accept the apologies that you'll never get because their interpersonal skills are just undeveloped or their social skills or just in general, they're just can't see what they're doing and, you just have no control. So once I did that, I was just kind of like, like this is beyond me. I can't do anything about it. I can just do my job, keep being too busy to even care what they think. And I'm just going to do my job. That's it. So I don't know if this would ever help anybody, but I wanted to share it because it was a super crazy, weird thing I had to focus on and really figure out. And I think it's a new kind of like thing I might have to revisit again because I'm sure this isn't the last time it's going to happen. So I want to know if this has happened to you before. How did you handle it? What the situation was like? All that. And until next time, peace.